This is $49 Bellroy Leather Case for the Pixel 6 Pro. We've had about a few weeks with it, almost a full month. We already got a few dings and scratches on it. We're gonna tell you if this is just a pretty case or is it more. As you can see, this is the terracotta color option, which is a nice cognac. I mean, they do have a bunch to choose from, but this one just stuck out to me. So as far as the case itself, you have slightly raised cutout for the rear camera bar section. Then you got a hole for the mic on top. And then at the bottom, instead of just having a whole lip cutout, you have three different cutouts. In the middle, you have the USB-C port, and the other two sides, you got the speaker and the mic at the bottom. Now, of course, with it being slim, it doesn't add too much weight to the phone. It does feel soft, yet somewhat protected. We'll get back to that in a minute. You do have a decent grip. That's good enough for me, but might be a little bit slippery for others. It's definitely gonna be better than carrying the phone naked, because the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are super slippery devices. So keeping in line with the whole premium aspect, you do have metal buttons on the side, metal power button and metal volume rocker. The interesting thing on the inside, there's no like real indentation, so it's literally just pressing. When you press on it, it's literally pressing through the leather to hit the button, which is something I usually don't see in cases. So after a few weeks with it, there's a bit mild wear and tear, almost a full month with it. So I got some slight discoloration on the corners where the case ends and the screen meets. I got a scuff on the rear where the Bellroy logo is, and then a few dings on the corners after doing some mild drop testing to see how well this holds up. And they weren't there before, and afterward they were there, so I don't have a lot of faith in the protection on that. So when you think of the leather cases, you think of, well, I think of Nomad Goods. Mine's is severely banged up, but still offers a good amount of protection on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. The thing that they're known for outside of leather, the patina. That's usually the thing with leather cases. So what that means is that when it gets some wear and tear, it's gonna look as nice. So basically when this gets through all the things this has gone through, it's gonna look worse than this, if you believe that or not. And last but not least, the protection side of things. I actually tried to find some information on drop protection for this, for the Bellroy case, and I have yet to find it. I wouldn't be too confident in this handling high drops and offering protection. And maybe it will, but if in a slight off chance that it doesn't, depending on how bad the fall is, that can be a phone repair or an entire phone wasted. Bellroy does offer a 3-year warranty, but I think that covers just the case itself messing up. I wouldn't put my Pixel 6 Pro to the test to find out how well this handles drops, and I suggest you shouldn't either. For spending 50 bucks on a case that doesn't really offer a whole lot of protection, can't say this would be a top recommendation for me to pick up. So if you're looking for a case that keep your Pixel 6 Pro pretty and protected, say look elsewhere, because this will just keep it pretty. For those of you who are interested in at least checking it out, and if you like swapping out case, you go out and dress up, you want to have a nice case just for that night, we will have affiliated links in the description below. That's our 2 cents on it. Let us know if you picked it up. How was your experience with it? Sound off in the comments below. And as always, you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.